Hello friends, welcome to this new Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how to glow objects in Photoshop with easy and quick method. So, watch this video till end for complete understanding the concept. Let's begin. Select the Object Selection tool. Click on the apple to select. Press Ctrl J, click on the background layer. And select the hand. And press Ctrl J, hide the layer 2. Right click on the layer 2 and click on Convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter, Blur and select the Gaussian blur. Enter the radius 5 and click OK. Change from normal to linear dodge, add. Press Ctrl J and click on Gaussian blur and enter radius as 100 and click OK. Again press Ctrl J, click on Gaussian blur. Enter radius 250 and click OK. Again press Ctrl J, click on Gaussian blur. Radius 550, click OK. Group all these layers by pressing Ctrl G. Now you can see this beautiful effect. Click on background layer. Select color lookup. And change it to night from day.q. Reduce opacity to 90%. Now go to Hue and Saturation. Select Saturation to -40. Go to Brightness and Contrast. Change Contrast to 70. Now group all these layers. Go to the fire image and right and convert to Smart Object. And drag this image to the previous one. Adjust this image. Change from normal to color dodge. Right-click and using Warp tool adjust the fire. Add a layer mask. And select the brush tool. Set flow to 10%. Add the glow to the hand using brush tool. Right-click Layer 3, and go to Blending Options. Press Alt and click to break. Adjust these parameters. Click on Hue and Saturation. Adjust hue and saturation accordingly. Click on brightness and contrast and adjust it. Now you are all done. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.